All right. Uh, Good evening, everyone. So let us start the session in few seconds actually. Meanwhile, so let me prepare the running notes for you guys, sir. Online team, I need a response. Can you hear me? Somebody can respond, please. All right. Thank you, Begum and Sri Devi boss. Let us continue. Sir, 01, right? Yeah, calendar date changed actually. I'm sure here onwards, today onwards, I will write the topic name also. Maybe today we are going to start variables related topics, sir. What topic actually? Previously, are we done with naming convention? Yeah, good. Now, can I make a here note the running notes topic name also? Naming convention. What is the topic name, sir? Naming convention. Right, conventions. And prior to this one, hello world, these are all that we can make a note later. 01 December. Good. Yeah. Are we ready? Can we start? So let us start. The topic name is what exactly today, The topic name is a variable, but let me prepare the running notes as well for the same. And I will give a small recap what we covered previously. Sir, come on. I would like to say we done this topic. We done this topic. Now I would like to say this is upcoming topic actually. Sorry, sir. This is a running topic. You're right. Now what might be the next topic, sir? Might be the data types, I guess. We'll see. Yep. Good. Uh, Regarding the naming convention, we'll have a small. Sir, there are two errors we covered. I still remember actually. Am I right? What is the first error name? One more time. Second error name? Name error or Daniel error? Name error. Very good. Name error. Ensure that there is a meaning for lowercase and uppercase. That point you need to remember, sir. I can cover later. Hey, Daniel, why this is the uppercase? Why this is lowercase? I can trust me. I can cover later actually. But still, you have to remember. You have to what exactly, sir? Remember. Yes should be capital only. You should not write at any cost lowercase. You should not write actually. Right? There is a lot of meaning behind of that one. I will cover later. Yeah. Regarding the naming convention, especially what we done, if you wanted to understand, yeah, come on, sir. In a Python introduction, what is a Python? Why should we learn Python? If you learn Python, what are all applications you can implement? These are all things we have seen. Okay. One more point will be from the Python introduction. Python supports two things, man. Python supports how many things actually? Like a coin, how many things it is having? Two things, like a two sides actually. One is head and tail. Same thing like that. Whenever you're talking about the Python, two things are important, sir. What are those things? Can somebody tell me? Functional programming, and at the same time, what is the next one? Object oriented. Good. Same thing like that. That point is important from the chapter number 1. Next one is the chapter number 2, which is something like a Python keywords actually. What is the topic name? What is a keyword you should understand? What do you mean by keyword? The word which is reserved to do specific functionality. That is called as a keyword, sir. We already done the topic actually. What are all we done? You should be please be aware. Maybe next week onwards, I will tell you how to start the preparation from your side. Right? Not only teaching actually, I can tell you how to do effective preparation. That would be great helpful for you. Sir, in Python total 350 keywords would you have? Am I right? I will cry if you say 350. How many? 35 keywords. How many columns we divided? That is not important in interview question. How many keywords are there? Important in interview question actually. And yeah, there are three keywords which are quite different compared to others actually. What are those keywords? Any idea? True, false, none. One more time. True, false, none. First letter is what exactly? Cap. There is a meaning. First letter is what exactly, sir? Capital. And her whole example. Yes, being a programmer or being a data scientist, you should understand how to write a Python program actually. How to write a Python program, sir, there are mainly four steps it is involving. The first one is write a program, save the program, run the program, output. One more time, sir. Write a program, save the program, run the program, output. Awesome. And the next one is a Python execution flow. Whenever you are running the program, whenever you are running online team, hold on, sir. Offline team, is it okay, or else can somebody can switch on the lights actually? Otherwise, you can feel kind of some cinema theater. Am I right? Do you want lights actually? Come on, sir. Can somebody switch on light? I'm always favor with you actually. Come on, somebody. One light actually. You can take a control, please. Online team, hold on, sir. Only light, sir. Which one? Fan. Sir, this fan also. Last, Achivurthi, sir. Achivurthi. Adi. Yeah, good. No. Lights all. Thank you. Previously, kind of some cinema theater, right? Yeah, I'm kidding, man. Come on. Online team. I hope you're with me, sir. Let us continue. Yeah, when you're talking about the program execution flow, there are keywords you need to understand. The first one is the source code. What is the first one? The program what we had written, that is called as a source code. Whenever you are running the program, backend one intermediate file is creating. That file name is called as a byte code. Byte code or a biscuit code, sir? Byte code actually. It is not a biscuit code. Good. Byte code means Python interpreter will convert source code to byte code actually. But still, ultimately, your computer is supposed to execute the program. Sorry for saying, byte code cannot understandable by your computer processor. Then in between, one more program will come. That program name is a PVM or JVM? PVM. PVM means Prime Minister of India. Am I right? No. Python Virtual Machine. The purpose of Python Virtual Machine is, the main responsibility for the Python Virtual Machine is taking the byte code and converting into machine understandable format. That's it. Apart from that, nothing actually. That's what I would like to say. Yeah. Next one is naming convention, sir. What is the next one? There are some fun story we have seen. What is my son name? And these are all things we have seen actually. Am I right? Good. Let me tell you. Yeah. Whenever you wanted to understand this topic, you should understand one point about what is that point, identifier. What is that one, sir? Identifier. A name in a program is called as an identifier. This identifier name can be, can somebody talk with me? Package name, module name, variable name, function name, class name, method name. Remember, sir, please. These are all fundamentals. These fundamentals you have to tie your hand actually. Why? Because when I'm asking, can you tell me what all identifier means? You have to tell in such a way that if I'm asking, can you tell me ABCD? Will you take time? No. Same thing like that. These are all data science fundamental. Fundamental in the sense at any cost we have to prepare. Maybe next Monday onwards, I will tell you how to do the effective preparation. I came from your position. Best example. If I'm a student like you, I will show you what is my preparation actually. Is it fine? From coming Monday onwards, I will explain. And today, yeah. Once after that, I have explained about how to create a identifier. There are exactly 5 rules we discussed actually. Am I right? And that certain rules we done. And the next one is there is a one table, identifier table, that I parked actually, that later we can discuss. And next one is what exactly, 1 minute. Rohit came, raise your hand. Yeah, all right, good. Thank you. Now the next topic name is a variable. What is the next topic name? I'm sorry, sir. Comments also we covered. What is that one? Sir, comments or gossips? Comments actually. Two types of comment. First one is a single line. Next one is multi-line. Yes, good. Now the today topic we are going to continue with the variables. What is the topic name? Variables. And it's a very easy. If anyone came today is the first session, trust me, next 1 hour, whatever I'm discussing, you will understand without doubt actually. I can explain in such a way that, okay. All right, let's continue then. Come on. Now we are entering into the topic. The topic name is called as a variables. It's a very simple, sir. Very simple actually. Sir, first of all, please, I will always come up with the shortest and well-known notation. What is the shortest and well-known notation? Let us take LHS. And what exactly? RHS. What do you mean by LHS, sir? Left hand side. And next one is a. These are all things we have seen since our childhood actually. Am I right or not? Come on. Yeah. So let us take a person details. What details actually? Person details. Whenever you are talking about the person details, left hand side I would like to tell name, right hand side I would like to tell Daniel. Left hand side what exactly? NAME, 4 letters. But here exactly the actual name, the person actual name actually. Next one will be is sweet 16, assuming that, but not 16 actually. And I would like to say profession, kind of some gender. Gender is a male, sir. What category? Male category. Now let me talk about the salary. And what do you mean by that? $16,000, assuming that, just assuming that $16,000 actually. So that would be seriously very good. Now, sir, left hand side what we had written, that is called as a variable. Right hand side what you're writing, that is called as a value. That is called as what exactly? Value. This point you need to understand very clearly. You know what? It's a kind of some 10th class notation, sir. A is equals to 16. To understand this one, you no need to do PhD in a programming actually. Since our 10th class, 6th class, left hand side name of the variable we have taken, right hand side value we have taken actually. When somebody is talking about the A's, immediately one value is required to map that variable. That point you need to catch actually. Are you getting what I'm saying? Are you with me, team? Yes, I hope. Right? Now let me tell you very clearly. Open this variable. Now it's a right time you need to understand the technical definition of the variable. What you need to understand, sir? Technical definition of the variable. Let us make it very clear. Good. Read everyone. The point read everyone. Variable is a reserved memory location to store. One more time. Variable is a reserved memory location to store values. Good. Did you remember, sir? During naming convention chapter, I didn't even explain about the variable definition, but we understand how to create a variable. Am I right or not? Good. Now let me tell you, sir, what is a variable? Variable is name of the memory location. Name of the memory location to store the value. Name of the memory location to store the value. To store what exactly? Otherwise, let us take the same copy pasted definition so that you can easy to understand actually. It's good. Good actually. Yes, good. Hey, Daniel, what do you mean by this, boss? You may ask a question. It is a reserved memory location. It is what exactly? Reserved memory location to store a values. So let me tell you. When reserved memory location. When my mother was conceived, actually, there is no physical space in this world. There is no physical location which is reserved for me this world actually. After 9 months, my mother delivered actually. Sir, once I entered in this earth actually, the game started. What is the game actually? Separate room allocated. What allocated actually? That is nothing but the name of the memory location. What do you mean by that? Let me take age equals to 16. And now age is called as a variable. Age is called as what exactly, sir? Variable. 16 is called as a value. Yes, sir. Yes. 16 is called as what exactly? Value actually. This is seriously interesting. Let me show you the diagram. Let me show you what exactly diagram. Assuming that this is your computer. In your computer, you are creating a variable. What is the variable name actually? Can somebody talk with me? Yes. What is the variable name? Age actually. Age is called as a name of the variable. Age is called as what exactly? Sir, whenever you are creating a variable in your computer, automatically what happened, now let me tell you. Age equals to automatically one value will be created. That value will be what exactly? 16 actually. And for this 16, it is assigned with what exactly? Age actually. Now you have to understand this notation, how I'm writing actually. Exactly. Whenever you're creating something like this is called as a reserved memory location to store what exactly, sir? Value. In your computer, there is a RAM. Automatically, the location, the memory is allocating actually. The memory is what exactly happening? Allocating. Are you understanding what I'm saying? All right. Come on. It's a very easy. Sir, the purpose of the variable. Now it's a right time you need to understand. Hey, Daniel, we understand the definition. Can you please do let me know what is the purpose of the variable? The purpose of the variable is to represent the data. The purpose of variable is what exactly? To represent the data. Let me tell you, in this earth, in this universe, everything has its own purpose, man. Let us take a marker. The purpose of marker is writing over the board actually. And the purpose of this water bottle is you can fill with water. The purpose of laptop is you can do something actually by using laptop. Same thing like that. Whenever you are talking about the variable, if you wanted to represent the data, if you wanted to what exactly represent the data, we can represent the data by using variables. By using what exactly, sir? I mean to say that. Now, let me tell you, team, you know what? These are all my data. These are all what exactly? My data. To represent my data, I'm using variables topic, man. I'm using what topic actually? Variables topic. That topic you need to understand. The very first step is what is a variable? What is a variable? You know, in name of the memory location, a name of the memory location to store the value is called as a variable. Immediately you need to understand, hey Daniel, what is the purpose of the variable? The purpose of the variable is to, can somebody talk with me, represent the data. To represent what exactly? Data actual, right? Now it's a right time you need to understand. The purpose of variable is to represent the data. Data means what exactly, sir? Collection of the facts. Data means what exactly? Collection of the facts. Good, interesting. Facts can be, any one of you may ask a question, what do you mean by fact? The first one is alphabets. It can what exactly, sir? Alphabets. Next one is a numbers. Next one alphanumeric. Next one symbols. Not only this, video, audio, images, these are all things will come under data actually. But as of now, let us make it, the things will be very simple actually. Come on, I'm repeating again. Today, what is the topic we started? You know, the topic name is a Python variable. What is the topic name? Python variable. If anyone started today is the first session, that session is belongs to the data science and AI. And we are starting the session. First topic name is the Python. What is the first topic name actually? Python actually. Previously, we already covered a couple of sessions actually. That sessions you can connect with admin and admin will share with you actually. Okay, all right. Now, what is a variable I covered and what is the purpose of the variable? Can somebody talk with me? What is the purpose of the variable, sir? To represent data. Come on, one more time. To represent data. Data can be, you know, alphabets, numbers, alphanumeric. These are all things actually. Good. Images, audio, video, these are all things. Now it's a right time you need to understand, man. The point is properties of variable. What we need to understand? Properties of variable. Everything has its own properties. Every variable has its own properties. Variable can contain name, type, value. Can you repeat one more time? Name, type, value. Hold on, I will tell you. What do you mean by that? Now, let us take a simple variable, sir. Let us take what exactly? Simple variable. The variable name is a equals to 10. Variable name is what exactly? A equals to 10. And print of a. Print of what exactly, sir? A. And hold on. Now LHS equals to RHS. Left hand side what you are writing, that is called as a variable. Right hand side what you're writing, that is called as what exactly? Value of the variable. What is that one? Value of the variable. Now just try to come here. This is called as a name of the variable. This is called as what exactly? Name of the variable. 10 is called as a value of the variable. What is that one, sir? Value of the variable. Do I need to explain about this equal symbol actually? I hope not required. Kind of some assignment operator. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Now, you know, team, everything has a type actually. Everything has what exactly? Type. You may ask a question, hey Daniel, what, my name is Daniel. If anyone is that today is the first session, let me talk about. In this room itself, there are two types of the category. We are all humans, right? There are two types of the humans actually. First one is a male category. Second one is a female category. Come on, sir. First one is what exactly? Male category. Second one is same thing like that. Whenever you are creating a variable, automatically for that variable type also ascend actually. What do you mean by type? That is an upcoming topic. The topic name is a data type actually. But as of now, you can remember here the type is a integer data type. What is the type, sir? Integer data type. What do you mean by integer? You know, the value without a decimal. The value what exactly? Without a decimal is called as an integer. Hey Daniel, can you please elaborate actually? Don't worry. You know what? Open the document and here, can somebody talk with me? What is upcoming topic, sir? Python data type. Here I can elaborate actually. But as of now, you need to understand every variable having the properties. Can somebody tell me? First one is a name, type, value. One more time, sir. Name, type, value. Awesome. Hope you're getting. Good. Now, online team, come on, please. Can I get a response, please? Online team, let me drink water meanwhile. Okay, so let me just try to take this one. These are all things actually. All right, Sheila ma'am, really good. Let me, we can get the size actually by calling size attribute. Good question. Hold on. Yep. All right. Come on, please. Let's continue. Yeah, what is the size, how much bytes it, how much bits or bytes it will occupy, during data types I can cover, but as of now let us continue. Yeah, what is this topic name? Can somebody tell me what is the subtopic name? Naming convention to a variable. Did you remember prior to this session? And there is a topic, the topic name is a naming convention. Now it's a right time, you need to understand what is the name. Whenever you are creating a variable, what kind of name you need to provide, you need to understand actually. So rule number one, name should starts with what exactly? Lowercase letter. That is a very, very important point. And let me tell you, sir. Let us take a data science project. Let us take data science. What exactly? Assuming that you guys learn the course actually. You guys learn the course and you guys are going to join in a data science project actually. In the data science project, the first topic name is called as a variable. The first topic name is called as what exactly? Sir, without variable, there is no data science project. Means your footstep supposed to start from variable. In a data science project, based on the requirement, being a data scientist, already existing data scientist, or else you are the data scientist, we are going to playing with the variable. That's why this topic you should be very clear actually. It is a very easy. It's very easy. It's a right time. Hey Daniel, can I create a equals to 10 value? You can create, sir. I would like to say this is the valid actually. This is what exactly? Valid. And 1 of a equals to 10. Can I create like this actually? Very good, sir. Why it is invalid actually? Yeah, there are some fundamental. Just to prior to this session, we have seen actually. And that recorded session I can help you. This is invalid scenario. What is that one? Invalid scenario. Capital A equals to 10. Capital A equals to what exactly? Team, you know what? Valid. What is this one, sir? Valid but not recommended actually. Valid but not what exactly? Recommended. Best example, let me tell you. There is a road. In according to the Indian standard and Indian government law, whenever you are going through the road, actually, what is the direction we have to walk? Do let me know. Left hand side. That is the fundamental and highly recommended actually. Hey, no, Daniel, I will walk at right side means up to you, sir. I mean, you can walk means valid, but not what exactly recommended. But not what exactly recommended. Right, good. Now, point number one is whenever you are creating a variable, it's supposed to starts with what exactly? Lowercase letter only. Now, if name having the multiple words, then separating every word with underscore symbol is what exactly, sir? Good practice. That is really good practice actually. That's what previously there is a topic. The topic name is a naming convention. First variable name is a student underscore id equals to 101. Can somebody tell me one more time? Student underscore id equals to 101. We have created like that actually. Good. It's a right time. Creating a variable. How to create a variable? We need to follow the below syntax to create a variable. Name of the variable, left hand side, right hand side value we need to provide. Good. Now guys, ready? I am going to show you one small example. That example kindly please understand. Now the total examples from my document, I would like to display like a box format actually. In this box, the first I would like to tell what is the purpose of the program. Creating what exactly, sir? Single variable. What is the name of the program? Name of the program name is a demo1.py. And this is the code actually. And once you are running this program, you are going to get this output actually. Are you ready? Can I execute this example? Come on, let me execute. The very first way, create a folder in your desktop. Create what exactly, sir? Folder in your desktop. Now, can I just try to create a variable folder also? What is the folder name? Variables folder. The folder name is what exactly, sir? Variables actually. Variables. I mean to say that what are all examples I am creating, I would like to store inside of this folder. Get ready. Get ready. Yeah, I'm going to creating a program. Yes, the very first one is age equals to 16. Age equals to what exactly? Hold on. Any one of you may ask a question. Hey, Daniel, can I create like this? We can create, sir. I will explain step by step actually. Hold on. I can explain actually. Good. Now let me just try to print. Let me just try to print what exactly. Good. Tim, always remember one thing. Can I, can I say this is LH equals to next one is what exactly? RHS. Tim, you know what? This is called as a variable syntax. This is called as what exactly? Variable syntax. Once you created a variable, look at me everyone. Once you created a variable, sir, always left hand side what is available, you have to print. Keep in mind that. Here, what is the left hand side is what is available is you have to print is only, but not 16 actually, but not what exactly? 6. I will tell you the reason. Now, can you help me? I'm going to create a variable. What is a variable name? Tell me. Is equals to 16. Print of. Can somebody tell me what I need to print? One more time. Last time. Perfect, man. Once you created a variable, it's a right time. You have to print only variable, but not value actually. Hey, Daniel, why? Even if you are printing 16, it is going to give the output as a 16 actually, but we should not print. I will tell you the reason. Right? Let me print, sir. A is equal to. Good. I hope you know how to save actually. Can you help me? Go to the file, save. Now demo1.py. Now here all files actually. What happens, sir? Yeah, go to programs, go to variables. Now save this one actually. Let me tell you. If anyone came today is the first session, you might be wondering actually what I'm doing, but don't worry. We do have a recorded session. Today itself, you should get that recorded sessions actually. Today itself, right? Why? Because previously, how to write a program, I spent almost 40 to 30 to 40 minutes actually. How long time, sir? 30 to 40 minutes. We need to write a program, we need to save a program, we need to run the program. Just to please walk through the previous session. That it will be really helpful for you. If you're still, I'm sure I can give a 101% guarantee actually, you will understand. But still, if you're unable to understand, I'm happy to help you. But as of now, let us continue. Go to the file, save, go to the desktop, programs, inside variable you have to select actually. Now here you need to type as a demo1.py, and here is what exactly, sir? Tell me everyone. One more time. Good. All files and click on what exactly? Perfect, man. See, go to the folder. Previously there is no file, but just now we have created a file. 1756 means 556 exactly. Just now we have created actually. Good. Sir, successfully we have created a program. Can you guys help me how to run this example actually? Go to the programs, variables. Then what I need to do, sir? Yeah, tell me. Here CMD, command prompt we need to open. And here what we need to run? Sir, I need your help, sir. Tell me. Py demo1.py. Seriously, super. This is the way we have written the program in a notepad. We are getting the output in a command prompt. These two are the basic fundamentals you need to understand. You will become master if you do practice like this. Stop executing in a Jupyter, Anaconda, blah, blah, blah. These are all things actually. But what I'm suggesting, kindly please follow the same. Later, I can tell you how to practice in a Jupyter, Anaconda, PyCharm. These are all things, sir. Team, are you with me? All right, good. Now, just try to walk through this example. This is the exact example. See, the beauty with our document will be whenever you are looking at this example, program we are sharing, and at the same time output also we are sharing with you actually. Good. Let me walk through the next example. Sir, can you do let me know? There are two variables I'm creating. Can somebody tell me how many variables, sir? Two variables actually. I'm sorry, sir. Yeah. Look at my screen. Previously only one variable, and now how many variables I'm creating actually? Two variables. Hold on. There is a one point I wanted to cover. What is the point, sir? Come here. Now just try to take the same example. Previously, one student asked a question. What is the student question? Array Daniel, left hand side what you have given is, right hand side what you have given 16. No, I will not give like that. 16 equals to is I will give. What you will give actually? He told like swapping in a reverse way actually. Frankly speaking, this is invalid syntax, sir. This is what exactly? We should not give like that. Let us try. Still, let me just try to give this one, and why I wanted to stop your anxiety. Go to the save and just try to run the example. Now just try to say, sir, your Python is coding like anything. What it is calling? What is error name? One more time. Last time we already have seen what do you mean by syntax error. Arey boss, whenever you are writing a program, please follow the fundamentals. Please follow the some rules and regulation. Left hand side name of the variable, right hand side is the value. That is a rule. If you follow, your Python will listen what you are saying actually. If you are not follow, Python will sit there itself and it will tell, hey, something went wrong in your program, go and correct it. Otherwise I cannot move on from here step actually. Until you correct this program, Python will not execute the output actually. Can you help me how to correct this example? Tell me, sir. A is equals to 16. And here what you need to print actually? Yes, you need to print. What you need to print actually? Hold on. Did you understand that point? One more student, one more question he asked, sir. What he asked, let me print 16. Let me print what exactly? 16. Good question. Means we created a variable. The variable name is a is equals to 16. A is equals to what exactly? 16. And print of yes, print of what exactly? Yes actually. And instead of yes, I'm printing directly 16. Otherwise, I'm printing directly 20 actually. Otherwise, I'm printing directly what exactly? 20. Sir, you can print, but not recommended. I will tell you the reason why it is not recommended. Go to the file and save and run this example. What is output you are going to get, sir? Yes, exactly. What is the first value actually? 16. What is the second value? 20. Now the student asked a question. Daniel, what is the difference? Let me tell you. What is the difference? Variable is a reusable component. Variable is what exactly? What do you mean by that? Sir, what do you mean by that? After some lines, if you wanted to still print the 16 actually, don't print the 16. You can use what exactly, sir? Yes variable. This is called as a reusable component. Define one time, reuse anywhere actually. But here what you're doing, this is called as a hard coding the value. This is called as what exactly? Hard coding. You are fixing the value, not recommended in a real time. Whenever you're working in a real time, if you wanted to define some value, assign to variable, use the variable. That is a good practice actually, as per the real time standard. Team, are you with me, everyone? I hope. Can I get a better response? Are you with me? All right, good. Let us take this running notes also. Hold on. Good. So as usual, come here, yep, only these two things I need to take. This is the demo one is done. Move on to the next example. Let me talk with online team. Wow, almost syntax error. A runtime input to A is very good. Sheila ma'am. Good question from one of our teammate actually. What is the question, one of the, boss. Yeah, Sheila. At runtime, input to A is variable from user, any be varying actually. Yes, we can give, yes, we can give this point. We'll discuss during input and output chapter. There is a chapter name is called as what exactly? Let me tell you, the topic name is a input and output actually. During this chapter I can cover output chapter, right? So I hope you got it, and I would like to go in as according to some order actually. Very good. Reusable pot. Yeah, I can remind one more time actually. All right. All right, let's move on, sir. No, I don't want to close. Good. Sir, move to the next example. What is the next example? Here previously we created a one variable. Previously we created what exactly? One variable. Now we are trying to creating a two variables. We are trying to creating what exactly? Two variables. Let me tell you how to create a two variables. It's a very simple how to create a two variable. The first one is name equals to Daniel. Name equals to what exactly? Daniel. Let me create a Daniel. A is equals to 16. A is equals to what exactly? 16. Now let us just try to print name. Let us just try to print what exactly, sir? Is actually. Come on, tell me. I have created a two variables. I have created what exactly? Two variables. And you know what? Those two variable names, can you tell me what is the first variable name? First variable name is what exactly? Name actually. Second variable name? Yes. Sir, in right hand side, look at me everyone. In right hand side, if characters are available, what is available? Characters are available. Ensure that, remember one syntax actually, you have to write within double quotes. You have to write what exactly? Fundamental. If you are not providing, it will throw the error. Now, yes, 16, it is not a string. You have to ignore that value. No need to provide within double quote actually. Now, right hand side group of characters would you have? What would you have, sir? Group of characters. That is called as a string. That is called as what exactly? What is a string? Upcoming topic. I can cover later. But as of now, if you wanted to write a group of characters, within double quotes, you need to write, sir. Within what exactly? Double quotes you need to write. Then what we need to provide here actually? Can somebody tell me? Double quote starting and next one is what exactly? Perfectly valid example. When hey Daniel, why boss? That is a fundamental. If you are not writing, Python will not accept actually. Are you getting everyone? It's a sir. You know what? Coding is very easy, but the way how you're accepting is that is the really matters actually. Very easy. Frankly, I'm speaking. You can't believe I'm from non-technical background. When I started learning actually, the way how I focus is next level actually. Just only your focus matter. What matters actually? Your focus. Then you can catch the things very quickly, right? Let me execute this example. Come on, I need your help. Come on, sir. Let me open a notepad. Good. Yeah. What is the purpose, sir? I'm planning to create a two variable. Sir, let me tell you. Whenever you are writing a program, ensure that what is a program we are writing, we should know. Unknowingly, don't open the notepad and don't type something actually. Now the purpose of program will be something like a white paper I have opened. Now I'm planning to create a two variable. First variable is string data type. First variable is what exactly? Second variable is integer data type. If it is a string, remember the syntax. We have to write within the double quotes. You have to write what exactly? Hey Daniel, where you will cover this point officially. There is a topic. Topic name is called as a string. During that time, I can cover officially. Are you with me? Good, sir. Come on, come on. Name equals to. Tell me, sir. Daniel. Yes, good. Age equals to 16, but not 16, sir. Now let me print name and let me print what exactly? Age actually. Sir, can I say this is what exactly? LHS. This is what exactly? Follow that syntax. Always. If somebody is talking about the variable, you have to come to the one syntax. LHS equals to RHS. That's it. There is no, that is a fundamental. You cannot get LHS equals to RHS from Google syntax also. But with my experience, I'm telling, left hand side, what are all things you are writing? That is called as a variable. That is called as what exactly, sir? Right hand side, what are all you are defining? That is called as a value to the variable. Come on, talk with me. Value to the variable. The purpose of variable is to represent the data. One more time. Purpose of variable is what exactly? To represent the data. You may ask a question, Daniel, what do you mean by data? Simple, boss. Collection of the facts. Collection of what exactly? Facts. Facts means it can be number. It can be alphabets actually. It can be alphanumeric. Other things, symbols. These are all things. It's easy, very easy. You have to feel that sense actually. Jesus. Let us save this example. Demo 3.py. All files. Yes, sir. Where I wanted to save? Under variables actually. Once you saved previously in one folder, next time onwards, whenever you are saving, by default, that old folder it will show, sir. What is the previous folder we have showed actually? Variable. Now go and save this example. Yes. Oh, sorry, sir. What is the file name I need to provide actually? Demo 2. Can I follow the standards according to the document actually? Let me create. Save as. Now demo 2.py. All files. Hey, is it anything wrong? Nothing is wrong, but I don't want to create like this actually. Good. Demo 2.py. Save this example. Very good. Sir, you saved the program, right? Go to the programs and variable, just cross verify. Is it really the file is available in the same location? Otherwise, it went some other location, something like a Dilshuk Nagar, Amirpet actually. Are you clear? Good. Now it's the right time. You need to run the program. What is the program you wanted to run actually? Demo2.py. What is the program? Demo2.py. Then what we need to do, open programs folder. Then open where your program is available. Where your program is available, sir? Your program is available inside variables folder. Your program is available inside what exactly? Variables folder. Good. Now just try to come here. Rajeshwari ma'am, are you with us? Can you please get ready for next 2 minutes actually? I do have a small update. Yes, good, sir. Yep, we created a variable. What is the first variable? Daniel. Second variable? Can you tell me? These two are the values. These two are what exactly? values. What is the name of the variable? First name of the variable is a name. Second name of the variable, you should know, sir. Why? Because you are writing, right? Whenever we are writing, we should know what we had written actually. You should not keep something like a blank face. I don't know what is the name of. No, 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 no. That's not a good practice actually. Whenever you are defining, whenever you are creating, you should know with what purpose you created actually. Right? Now hold on. Just 2 minutes. What is this example, man? Demo2.py. Now 2 minutes discussion. 2 minutes update actually. I will not take much time. Good. Rajeshwar ma'am, thank you. And just now Rajeshwar ma'am shared these are all details actually. I will do one thing. Any one of you may ask a question, how we will get these are all recorded videos? You can click on this, any link actually, you can get the session. These are all recorded videos. I'm going to share in a Google Classroom. I will show you. What do you mean by that? Now just try to come here. Good. Now open Google Classroom. Just kindly spare me 2 minutes, sir. Who are all not available in Google Classroom, requesting you should be available. Today onwards, I am sharing the practice examples also. At any cost, you should know what are the practice examples. Good, good. Yep. How many members joined till now in a Google Classroom? How many, sir? 11 members actually. Please connect with admin. Admin will help you. All right. Now go to the stream. And here, I can copy paste. These are all things. Good. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute, please, actually. Open stream. Now here. Good. Sir, now everyone kindly please later actually after this session, go to the Play Store. I hope you know Google Android Play Store actually. There is a one app. That app name is a Google Classroom. What is the app name? You can just try to install actually. Once you install, log in with your Gmail. All these things you are going to see actually. Are you clear? I mean to say that this thing you can open in your mobile and you can open in your laptop also. Are you clear, sir? Good. Let me just try to click on post. When I'm posting, I'm sure who are all available, they will get actually. Yes, seriously, very good. These are all links are available in the Google Classroom. These are all links are available in what exactly? Google Classroom. All right. I done the update actually. Somebody called me. Yes, sir. Tell me. Yes, yes. Nice, man. 1 minute. Very good. Good question. You mean to say same thing line A is equals to what exactly? 20. You mean to say the same thing? Yeah, very good. Sir, can I say this is the upcoming topic? This is called as a reinitialization. This is called as what exactly? Upcoming in the sense today's session only. Can I cover in next level? What do you mean by that? Reinitialization. Go back, go back, go back. Reinitial. Can I cover here, sir? Yeah, yeah. Good, good. Thank you. Nice question. Let us move on to the discussion. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Come on, come on. Good. Back to the session again. Till now, what are all things I have covered? What is the variable I covered? What is the purpose of the variable? Properties of the variable? Naming convention. What do you mean by naming convention, sir? Sir, let me tell you. What do you mean by naming convention? Whenever you are creating a variable, remember one thing, all left-hand side name of the variables should be in lowercase. Not even single letter should not be uppercase actually. Hey, can I give uppercase? It works. Valid, but not recommended. You should not give something like that actually. But let me give one example so that you can get a very clear picture. Hold on. Go back. Now just try to come here. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Maybe good question. Any one of you may ask a question. Is 1 equals to 16? Is 2 equals to what exactly? 17. Let me just try to print. Let me just try to print. Is 1. And next one is what exactly, sir? Capital A is what exactly? 2. Let me print this example. Sir, frankly speaking, 1a.py. I am saying what exactly? 1a. First program belongs to this one actually. All files and save this example. Good. You know what? Let me run this example and the example name is a demo 1a actually. Good. It is getting an output actually. But let me tell you, sorry for saying not recommended. I already told it is executing, not recommended. We should not write like this. Daniel, why? Sir, hold on. You just started your journey, right? Everything I may not feed in one day, actually. There is a time to share. There is what exactly? Time to share. Just try to hold on. Frankly speaking, this is valid but not recommended. What is that one, sir? Valid but not recommended. Okay. Yeah, I hope I already told here actually. Very good. Valid but not recommended. Now let me tell you. Uh, who all came today? Can you raise your hand, sir? Who all came today? Just raise your hand. It's okay. I will not ask any questions to you actually. Just raise your hand. Very good. Are you getting the session? Are you getting what I'm explaining? Are you getting the session actually? That's the beauty. Though you are getting just a today you joined actually, think about previous guys actually. I'm sure I no need to ask to them. Regular guys, I no need to ask actually. Why? Because they are in my flow. And today who are all joined, it is very easy. Let us continue, sir. What is the next example we are creating? Demo 2 we done, demo 3. Yeah. Good. Understand this example. Try to understand somebody. Sir, previously, first of all, in the given example, how many variables? Two variables. Tell me, boss, how many? Two variables. What are those variable names? Name and yes. Previous example, I'm using two print statements to print the output especially, or else to print the variable names. But now, hey Daniel, can I use a single print function? Can I use what exactly? Single print to print the two variables we can use. We can use actually. Now let me show you. See the output you are getting actually. Good demo number 3. Let me just try to open a notepad and let me just try to write the example here actually. Tell me, sir, what is the first name of the variable? Name equals to Daniel. Name equals to what exactly? Daniel. And second name of the variable is age equals to 16. Print name. Previously, again print what exactly? Age. Hey Daniel, instead of this one, I will use only one print statement actually. I will use what exactly? One print statement. First name of the variable name is a name. Second name of the variable is what exactly? Age. Sir, first name of the variable and second name of the variable supposed to separated by using a comma separator as per the Python syntax. There are two variables. I just wanted to print in a single print statement. Valid. You can print actually. But remember one syntax. What is that syntax, sir? First name of the variable and second name of the variable should be separated by using what separator? Comma means you should not write something like this actually. You have to type comma separator. All right. Now just try to come here. Untitled. Can I save this example? Yes. Now just try to come here. Now save demo. Tell me, sir. 3.py. Good. All files. Save this example. Yes. Go to the command prompt. Go what exactly, sir? Command prompt actually. Yeah. So I just wanted to clear the previous stuff. How to clear actually? Can somebody tell me? CLS. Now py demo 1, 2, 3. Yes, exactly. Yes. What is output? Daniel and 16. Simple. As simple as that actually. Just try to take this code, keep it in running notes, move on to the next example. I would like to say this example is what exactly, sir? Demo 3.py. Demo what exactly? 3.py. Let's move on. These are all very easy stuff. Sir, this is interesting example. Look at my screen. Interesting example. The next example, what I'm covering is interesting example. Good. Every time you need to close this one. Here itself, if you want new notepad, already this is the existing notepad. Am I right, sir? Here itself, if you want new notepad, go to the file, click on what exactly? New. Go to the file, click on what exactly? New. Otherwise, you can use one shortcut. What is the shortcut actually? Control plus N you can use. I'm using as of now in front of you new. Automatically new notepad came actually. Are you guys clear? Come on. Basic fundamentals, sir. You should know at least this one actually. Are you clear? yeah. Let's move on. Sir, A is equals to 16. Print. Let me just try to print is actual. Let me just try to print what exactly is. Come on. And can I save this example will be demo 4.py. Demo what exactly? 4.py. Yes, good. Let me run this example. Good. Look at my screen. What is the program name? Demo 4.py. Look at my screen. Can I drink water actually? Yeah. Let me drink water. Let me run this one. Sir, whenever you are running, what is output it is? Tell me. Tell me everyone. Good. Let me tell you. Who are all available in the session? Everyone knows about this 16 backend. What is the name of the variable? Is actually. Assuming that suddenly, exactly 8 to 20, just now after executing this example, one student came, sir. One student come and he joined actually. Then he may think 16 is what? Is it ID? Is it dollar? Is it rupees? Is it yes? Then whenever you are printing output actually, ensure that some proper information you need to print actually. Please focus. Whenever you are printing the value, whenever you are printing what exactly, sir? Value, you have to print some proper value. I mean to say that my age is column 16. Sir, how beautiful this statement will be. Am I right or not? See, 16, sorry for saying, not that much meaningful. What do you mean by 16? Is it dollars? Is it rupees? It is what exactly? But if somebody is explaining the output something like this, seriously amazing, sir. Am I right or not? If you wanted to print some additional information according, I mean, before the output actually, if you wanted to print some additional information before the output, it's a very simple. Go back to your function. Good. Just try to come before here actually. Where you wanted to print, do let me know. Before 16, right? Then come before the variable name. Just to try to provide double quote symbol actually. What we need to provide? Double quote symbol. Just to provide comma symbol. What symbol? Comma symbol. Just to look the code very good. Give you one space actually. Sir, here you can type whatever you want actually. Now what you want, do let me know. My age is, now just try to come here. My age is, my age is sweet 16. Sweet what exactly, sir? 16. Now save this example. Now run this example actually. Now just try to see the output. Wow, what a nice output, man. Can somebody read what is that one? My age is what exactly? But not 16, sir. Just I'm kidding actually. See, there is a lot in terms of the difference, and printing 16 is a quite different. My age is what exactly? 16. That is a quite different actually. It's a kind of, once you understanding the example, it's a kind of you're playing with the code. You're playing with what exactly? But you should know the terms and condition. Sir, whenever you are enter for, hey, let me, man, come on. These are all syntax rules, boss. You should know, you should be very good in a rules actually. Let me tell you, once I reach into the computer, remind me, I will tell you. Sorry, everyone knows might be how to play the cricket actually. How to play what exactly? There is a rule. If you follow the rule, you can play the ground very well. You can play the cricket very well. Same thing like that. Whenever you are learning the programming language, let me tell you. Come on. Whenever you are learning programming language, can I tell with my experience where you need to focus actually? Where you need to focus? Sir, listen carefully. Let us take a coin. Coin can contain how many things actually? Tell me. Yeah, two things. What is the first one? Head, and next one is the tail. Sir, any programming language can contain two slides actually. The first one is syntax rules. What is the first one? Tell me everyone. Second one is a logic. Second one is what exactly? Logic actually. Sir, logic, any programming language, logic is the same. Either 10 plus 1. What is the logic? What is the output actually? 11. Tell me one more time. 10 plus 1. Even in Java also same logic actually. Python also same logic. C also same logic. What is the change actually? Do let me know. Syntax is the change. Whenever you're talking about the syntax, ensure that 90% focus is required, sir. How much focus actually? Just a 10% focus is enough actually. Just a 10%. Why? Because logic is the same if you're taking about any programming language. How to write, what to write, these are all. Syntax means rules actually. Syntax means what exactly? What do you mean by rule, Array, Daniel, it is okay. I'm sorry. Am I explaining speed actually? No, right? Yeah, good. I like teaching, sir. Once I involved into the topic, I will be kind of some emotional actually. Good, let me tell you. This string and this variable supposed to separated by using what exactly? Comma separator. That is a syntax. Array, Daniel, I will not give. It's okay, sir. Don't give actually. If you're not giving, go to the file and save this example. Now run this example. Now Python will tell, who are you? I don't know. The program what you had written, I don't know your program. Indirectly, it is throwing left and right. It is calling like anything. In a Python programming language, it is calling actually. What is that error name? Do let me know. Means syntax rule you missed actually. what Python is telling, Hari boss, who is your trainer? What is that one actually? Who is your trainer? Did you forget the rules and regulation? Something like that actually. Sir, don't make me to scold. You have to remember what exactly syntactical rules. Are you with me? Can I get a better response? Are you with me? Very good, sir. Now just try to come here. What I need to provide? Comma. Yes, simple. As simple as that, sir. Otherwise, here you can give anything. It's not like don't compare this is and this is the same, Daniel. Hey man, I am. Just try to provide I am. I am 16 years of old actually. I am what exactly? Here you can give anything, boss. Hello, good evening, good evening. Here you can give anything. That you are going to get an output actually. That's the beauty with the coding. Just try to say. Good, good. Now move on to the next example. Python having the dynamic data type. Let me talk with online team, and the online team I am back actually. Good. After saving a notepad, I am unable to get the code in a command prompt actually. Prashanta. Good. What happens when I put the as in a comma? Come on. What happens when I put the as in a comma? Sir, kind of some concatenation is happening. Kind of, let us take these 2 points. I would like to answer. My session is a kind of two-way communication. It's not like I'm talking, you are listening. No, 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 sir. You also should talk actually in terms of questions. I'm happy to answer actually. Prashant, sir. After saving a notepad, I'm unable to get the code in a command actually. I'm unable to get the, I hope, output in a command prompt actually. I hope you are having my mobile number. You can connect with me, sir, either with me or Ranjan. Previously, who are all facing issue, we are helping actually. And you can connect with me. I will help you. Next one. Hey, what happens? Okay, very good, sir. Hey, what happens when I put that is in a comma? Sir, it's a simple, it's a concatenation is happening. This is called as a concatenation. What do you mean by that? Later we can discuss actually, right? Now my age is what exactly? Sweet 16. Take the same code actually. And you can just try to come here, and I would like to say demo 4 or 5, sir. Demo 4, I guess, right? If it is 5, I can update accordingly. Hold on. Yeah, demo 4. And next one is, sir, important point. If I say important, that is damn sure it is very, very important. Please focus on this one. First of all, to understand this point, I just need to compare with other programming language. I just need to compare with what exactly? Other programming language. Just let me compare. It's a very simple. Come on, come on. Look at my screen very clearly. Sir, the purpose of program is my expected output is what exactly? 16. What is my expected output actually? Simple. In Python, you know how to write actually. Let me write this example by using Java. By using what exactly? Java, and by using Python. By using what exactly, sir? Python. Hey, Daniel, I don't know Java. Is it fine? Sir, Java, Bava, these are all things you no need to understand. But let me tell you, Java is a programming language. Java is what exactly? In Java programming language also, we can print this 16. You can print what exactly? This 16. But how to print, you need to write a class and main method. But this is the syntax you need to follow. Integer is equals to 16 column. The next one, system dot out dot print ln, and here you need to print what exactly, sir? Is actually. Please focus. If you don't know Java also, that is fine, but please focus. In a Java programming language, please focus on this line. If you wanted to create a 16 value, if you wanted to create a variable, before the name of the variable, what we need to provide, sir? This is called as a data type. That is called as what exactly? The syntax is like this, right? Data type. What is that one? Data type variable. Tell me, sir. Variable equals to value column. But the same thing, can I create in a Python, sir? Tell me. Variable equals to, tell me, sir. Variable equals to what exactly? Value. What is the variable? Is equals to 16. Now here what print you can ignore as of now. That is not at all required. Now let us just try to understand. Whenever you are talking about other programming language, data type having static nature. What do you mean by that? Static. Static means fixed. Whenever you are creating a variable, first to define the data type, first to define what exactly? Data type, then only create the variable. Otherwise, you will get an error. But coming the beauty with the Python, the beauty with what exactly? Python. Are boss, you don't bother about the data type. Just to create a variable, I takes care about what is the data type actually. If you want, let me prove practically. Let me prove. Sir, what is the data type name here? Here the data type name is called as a integer data type. What is the data type name? Integer. This is called as a age actually. This is what exactly? 16. Good. Hold on. Now let me create one small example for you. Now you know what? Come on, sir. A is equals to 16. Let me just try to print what exactly is actually. Save this example will be what I can say, demo 4a.py. What is that one, sir? 4a.py. All files, and just try to come here actually. Come on, sir. This kind of example you might ever actually. Demo 4a.py. All right. You are getting 16 actually. But let me print. You know what? Whenever you are creating a variable, automatically the data type assigned. Automatically what happens, sir? Data type assigned. Do you wanted to see the data type? We can see very easily. There is a one predefined function in Python. That predefined function name is a type actually. That predefined function name is what exactly? Type. Like a how print is a predefined function. The purpose of print predefined function is display the output. Display what exactly? Output. The purpose of type predefined function, it just tells about what is the data type of age actually. What is the data type of what exactly? What do you mean by type in upcoming topics, sir? But just now I wanted to tell you, wow, seriously super. You have to focus only on this one. What is that one, sir? Integer. What is that one? See, did I assign integer here actually? No. But automatically integer is assigned by Python. This is called as a Python having dynamic data type nature. These three words are important, sir. Can you spell along with me? Python having a dynamic data type nature. One more time. Dynamic data type nature. Last time, please. Dynamic data type nature. Perfect. Whenever you're talking about the Python, if you are creating a variable, the dynamic data type means dynamic actually. It's not like a static. Automatically it assigns actually. Tim, are you getting, sir? Good. Now let's just have to take this one. 1 minute. 1 minute. Let us just have to take a running notes actually. I will tell. I'm sure I'm happy to help you any question. Now here for this output, let us just have to take output also. You know what? What is output actually? Control A. Here I can assign in a running notes. Go back. Go back. This is the output, sir. This is what exactly output actually. Very good. This is the output, man. I'm sorry, sir. Offline team. Somebody is asking a question actually. Tell me, sir, who is asking a question? Which one, sir? Okay, okay. You mean to say integer? You mean to say good question, sir? We should not write actually. If you're writing, you will get error. Let me show you practical. Very good question. Hey Daniel, explicitly can I provide an int actually? No, sir. We should not provide actually. Good question. Let me run this example. Very good. Let me just try to run this example. We are getting a syntax error. We are getting what exactly? Syntax error. Means it is not allowing actually. It is not what exactly? Mean to say that, hey Daniel, assigning the data type is my part actually. Your part is just creating a variable. Your part is what exactly? Just creating a variable. Awesome. Good question, sir. Right. And Python having the dynamic data type nature, it means while creating the variable, we no need to provide the data type explicitly in a Python. We no need to provide the data type explicitly. Regarding the data type, we will learn in what exactly? Data type chapter. That is the next chapter actually. Can I ask you one question? Are you getting what I'm saying? Everyone getting right? Yeah, let me ask the same thing with online team also. Online team, I need a minimum 20 plus responses, sir. Are you getting what I'm saying? Sheila ma'am, good question. I will come up to that point actually. Very good question. Almost very good. I'm getting a nice response from Tarini Ratna, Srikant, Bhupesh, Srikant again, Sneha, Pooja, Akash. Um, All right, all right. Sir, let me tell you one small point actually. Okay, there are 2 points I wanted to cover. 2 questions. There are 2 questions from the online team actually. Banu Prakash. Sir, can you please tell me which is the way to understand the classes? Offline or online? That is up to you, sir. Which one is feasible for you, you can attend actually. But hold on, online team. Next question. Sheila, if no data type are given, then what about the typecasting? Good question. Ma'am, what exactly happened, whenever you are giving age equals to 16, automatically integer is coming. If you wanted to do the typecasting, a kind of some need to convert into float, into what exactly float if you wanted to convert, then there is a floating predefined function that you need to use actually. Age 1 equals to what we need to do is, float actually. This I can cover later. This I can cover what exactly during data types topic actually. Sheila ma'am, we can do that. We can do that actually. All right. Online team, small suggestion. 1635. Online team, online team, small suggestion. Small suggestion. What is a small suggestion? Whenever you are joining over the online class actually, kindly give proper name actually. Proper name for your session. Whenever you are joining the session, it will ask your name, right? Kindly please provide the proper name. Don't provide kind of some. Let me tell you, in a previous batch, there is a one student and he joined with the name of, what is the name? Chitti Robo. What is the name, sir? Chitti Robo, actually. I'm sorry for saying. That guy asked a question. When I'm reading Chitti Robo, I don't know what I need to tell actually. Other guys are looking at me differently. Means Chitti Robo know him very well, or what exactly, something like that, right? Kindly please provide the proper name so that it is more readable for better understanding actually. Okay. Yeah. Let's continue the discussion. All right, sir. Let us continue. Let us continue. Come on, come on. This is quite funny. Creating a multiple variables in a single line. What is the time? Exactly. Good. We can create a multiple variables. If anyone joined today, session exactly starts at daily 5:30, sir. Exactly. Exactly. Punctual actually 5:30 it will start. Good. Let us continue the next one. Creating a multiple variables in a single line. Creating what exactly? Multiple variables. Mean to say that, sir, by looking at the program here onwards, you need to understand. By looking at the program actually, what exactly we are doing, generally we know a equals to one variable. But here what we are doing, sir, in a single line, in what exactly? Left hand side 3 variables we are creating. Right hand side, how many values you should assign? 3 values you should assign. Then automatically what exactly happen in this case, boss? Let us take the same thing and let us just try to swap this one. Just try to take this one. First variable, it will be assigned with first value, and second variable, it is assigned with second value. Third variable, it is assigned with what exactly, sir? Third variable, something like this. But frankly speaking, this kind of notation we are not using in real time, but syntactically it is valid actually. In a single line, can I create a multiple variable? Sir, you can create. You can create actually, but we are not using in a real time, right? Good. Quickly, let me create this example, demo number 5. I need your help actually. I wanted to create the new command prompt. What I need to do? Go to the file and new. Instead of that, what I can press actually? Control N. Tell me one more time. Yes, very good. A comma B comma C equals to what I need to provide, sir? 1 comma 2 comma 3. Now let me just try to print A. Next one is a B. Next one is a C. Next one is what exactly? C. Let me just try to print what exactly, sir? D. Hold on. This point I can cover. Hold on actually. Hold on. Let me just try to show the right output actually. Control S demo 5.py. What is that one, sir? 5.py. All files save this example. Let us execute. Practically, it is valid example, sir. Demo 5.py. Yes, you are getting an output. 1, 2, 3. Valid example. There is one terms and condition. Whenever you are creating a multiple variables in a single line, ensure that left hand side, how many variables would you have, sir? 3. Come on, tell me, sir. 3. Right hand side, how many variables would you have, madam? 3 actually. It should be match. If you are missing right hand side one value, then gone case actual. Gone case in the sense, you will get an error. You will get what exactly, sir? Error. Let me just try to come here and save this example. Let me just try to run this example. You are getting new error. What is that error name actually? One more time. Last time. What is the value error? I can cover later actually, but this is the rule. What is the rule? First of all, this kind of notation we are not using in a real time. Even if you didn't understand also, no worries. Come to the session tomorrow. The point will be, whenever you are creating multiple variables in a single line, ensure that left hand side you created two variables, sir. How many variables actually? Right hand side, definitely you should provide what exactly? Two values. No, Daniel, I will give a mismatch actually. It's okay, sir. You will get error actually. You get what exactly? Error actually. Ensure that, right? Now just have to come here and you have to print what exactly, 3 or 30. Anything you can do. Now execute this example. All right. Just try to see. Hey, Daniel, can I give here Daniel actually? Sir, up to you. You can play. Once you understand the program, you can play actually. Once you understand the program, you can play. Take this example. One important point I'm telling. This is very, very important. Please focus. Demo 5.py. This is very, very important. Please focus. Sir, please, if you guys are sleeping, all the best for your career actually. Let's close this one. Let's close this one. Come here. Good. Now, A equals to 10, B equals to 20. Now, let me just try to print. What I need to print, sir, do let me know. A, and next one is what exactly? B. Very good. Let me print what exactly? B. First of all, I will show you the well-known output actually, so that you can feel more comfortable. Yes, we can write this kind of example actually. Demo 5a.py. Why? Because this example is belongs to somewhat a demo near to demo 5 actually. Tell me, sir, what is output you are going to get? Come on, man. What is output you are going to get? 10 and 20. Am I right? What is output you are going to get? 10 and 20. Any questions here? No questions actually. Let me tell you. Sir, how many variables? Two variables. Tell me. What are those variable names? A, B actually. Sir, what you created, you have to use the same variable name. Are Daniel, can I print C actually? Can I print what exactly? C actually? No, we should not print. Important interview question. Generally, whenever you are working in a real time, this is the very common error you are going to face. That error name is a name error. That error name is what exactly, sir? Whenever you are getting a name error, it means to say that you didn't define something, but you are trying to using actually. Best example, man. Morning I went to market actually. I bought oranges. I bought what exactly? Oranges. And I came to home. And I supposed to eat orange actually. Can I tell to my wife, can I eat apple actually? No. Why? Because what I bought actually? Orange. Here you created a comma B. How can you print C actually? How can you print what exactly? Python will get a confused and it will score like, in their terminology. Let me run this example. Just try to see this one. What is the output you are getting actually? Can somebody tell me? Name error. What is output, sir? Name error. Name error means, read the error carefully. Hey, Daniel, name C is what exactly, sir? Correct only, right? We didn't define. Without defining, how we can use actually? Not possible. That's why if you wanted to use, first what we need to do? Define. Create. Once you created successfully, then go to use actually. This is the beauty with the code. Are you getting what I'm saying, sir? All right. Now just try to come here. Previously one error we got it. Can we list out that error name? Go back. Later I will tell you all reasons for the error actually. We are listing the error names according to my understanding. Am I right or not? Yeah. Third error. What is error name? Third error. Value error. First V is a one more time. Every time. Value error actually. Very good. Value error. Can you read everyone actually? Error names. What is the first error? Syntax error, name error, value error. Sir, one more time. Syntax error, name error, value error. Later I will tell you the reason. Why syntax error, why name error, why value error. These are all things actually. All right, good. Yeah. Let's move on. Come on. Now take this example and I would like to say demo 5a.py. Now I am sure the next example, what I'm writing, you can easy to understand actually. A equals to 10, print of B. Sir, tell me, is it valid or invalid? Invalid. What is error name? Tell me, what is error name? Name error. What is error name? Name error. One more time. Last time. Just try to confirm. Name error. Means you didn't created this variable. You didn't created what is the name of the variable? A actually. You have created only A. Then try to use only A. If you're trying to using without you created actually, you will get always one error. That error name is a name error. Best example, sir. My brother name is a Prasad actually. If Prasad is within the room, I can call Prasad. If Prasad is not available within the room, if I'm still calling, something is wrong actually. Am I right or not, sir? I hope you're getting right. Take this example and you can just try to take this one. And here you will get a name error. What you're getting, sir? Name error. And here also what you are going to get? Name error. All right. Name error. Good. Yeah, very easy, sir. Coding is very easy actually. Good. Single value for multiple variables. This is what exactly? Single value. Go back. Let me read the theory. We can create multiple variables in a single line, but there is a rule. What is the rule? You know, there should be same number on what exactly? Left and right hand side. Sir, that word I like very well actually. Read everyone. What is that one? Left and right. Since my childhood, if I'm not reading properly, my teacher will tell, I will give what exactly? Left and right actually. Something like that, right? Otherwise, we'll get a error. We'll get what exactly, sir? Error actually. Single value for multiple variable. Hello, Daniel. A equals to B equals to C equals to 3 means something like this. Come on here. What is example number? Demo 6 actually. Yes, good. A equals to 3, B equals to 3 and C equals to 3. Can I say how many variables I created, sir? 3 variable. All these 3 variables value is the same. Am I right or not? All these 3 variables value is what exactly? Same actually. Good. Let me tell you. A, next one is B, next one is what exactly? C. Save this example. Demo what exactly, sir? 6. Yeah, 6.py. And what I need to choose? All files. Good. Hello, Daniel. Instead of creating some, oh my, let us just try to come here. Demo 6.py. All right. Yeah, how many variables I have created, sir? 3. Instead of this one, let us take this code actually and keep it at running nodes. Instead of this one, can I create A equals to B equals to C equals to 3 valid? But we are not using this one in real time. We are not using actually. Syntactically valid. If you want, you can provide as a 30 so that you can get the updated output actually. Check this output, you can see the output actually. This is seriously super. In a single line, Daniel, can I create a multiple variables with the same value actually? You can create, sir, but not using in real time. Instead of above code, can I write the below code actually? Valid, sir. Up to you, it is valid actually. Up to you, it is valid. Now, the next example is the last topic. What is the topic name? You know, variable reinitialization. Damn sure interview question. And from the total topic, this is the very, very important actually. Till now, if you understand whatever I covered actually, then only you can understand this example. First, to read the topic name. What is the topic name? Variable reinitialization. One more time, sir. Variable reinitialization. Good. I will tell you. Now, okay, very good. Salary equals to $10,000. Assuming that 10,000, what exactly? Dollar. Sir, this is called as a creating a variable creation, or else creating a variable. Creating what exactly? Creating a variable. Variable also called as a variable initialization. What is the word actually? Variable initialization. Initialization means left hand side what you created actually, you assign value to that one. Left hand side what you created, you assign value to that one actually. Right? Good. This is called as a initialization. Valid, sir. This is valid actually. Good. Then you can print this one. Then you can print what exactly? Print this one actually. Very good. Get ready. Demo number 6, I guess. Salary equals to, tell me, sir, $10,000, assuming that. Print what exactly? Salary. Good. Now save this example. Can somebody help me? Demo 7.py. Last example. Get ready to enjoy the topic actually. Save this example. Can I run this example? Can I run, sir? Demo 7.p. What is output? 10,000. What is output, sir? 10,000 actually. Good. Any questions here? It's a very simple example. Am I right? Any questions? No questions. Sir, in the given example, I created one variable and I'm just trying to printing that variable. That's it. But let me tell you. Hey, Daniel, can I take the same name of the variable and can I give the different value? You can give, sir. Now take the same name of the variable. Salary equals to, now here let me take a $20,000. Let me take what exactly? $20,000. Good. Seems to be we created a two variable. We created what exactly? Two variable. What is the first variable name? Salary. What is the second variable name? Salary only. We can create like this, but small catch. Small point you need to understand. What is the small point, you know, sir? Frankly speaking, if variable names are different, something like a equals to 10,000, B equals to 10,000, you can tell two variables actually. You can tell what exactly? Two variables. But if the syntax follow like this topic name is called as a variable reinitialization. What is that one actually? Variable reinitialization. One more time. Variable reinitialization. Last time, variable. Sir, here what happened exactly, no? Whenever you are creating already existing variable name, then only whenever you are printing the variable recent value only you are going to get it. What you are going to get it actually? What is the recent value, sir? 20,000. Now just try to get this one. There is an important interview question. I will tell you. One student also asked the question actually. Now previously whenever you are printing, what is output actually? 10,000. Now whenever you are printing, what is output, sir? 20,000. Why 20,000 actually? Tell me. Because of reinitialization. We recreated. Old value is replacing with new value. Old value is replacing with what exactly? New value. Now just try to come here. Again, let me just try to salary equals to what exactly? 30,000. Salary equals to what exactly? 30. Now what is the value? $30,000 actually. So now this is called as what exactly? No? Name of the variable value is the value keep on changing. Value keep on what exactly, sir? Sir, let me tell you, in this universe, let me take my name, never change actually. My Aadhaar card number, never change. My salary is supposed to be change, sir. Why? Because I do have a family. If I started my career with the 10,000, can I survive 10,000 with the total life actually? No, no, no. Every year, company is supposed to give a hike actually. Every year, company is supposed to give what exactly? Hike. What is a beautiful question here, you know? Previously there is a one student and he asked a question. The question will be, come here and let me take here first actually. First of all, this is called as a variable reinitialization. In a variable reinitialization, always you will get last value. Always you will get what exactly? Last value. Very good. One student asked a question. What is the question, you know? Are Daniel, anyway we are getting 30,000 only, right? Come here and delete these two actually. Come here and delete what exactly? Valid point. Maybe valid point. Why? Because, you know, anyway, what is output you are going to get, sir? Do let me know. 30,000 only. But let me tell you, scenario number one. When I joined in a company, first HR knows what is my salary? 10,000. And same HR is available. Second year also. HR means I don't ask what is HR actually. In a company, HR is a people, they can, you know, give a kind of some high discussion actually. Same HR knows what is my previous salary. What is my previous salary? 10,000. Now, same HR is trying to giving the hike actually. What is my current salary? 20,000. Now, sir, if you are deleting this one, suddenly new HR came. Who came actually? That HR may get a confused. Daniel's salary started with what exactly? 30,000. That's what. Whenever you are doing a variable reinitialization, keep the old variables with the same values actually. Are you with me? Team, can I get a better response? Are you with me? It's a very simple, sir. Good. Take the same thing, you know, this is called as a based on requirement, we can reinitialize existing variable value. Existing variable, what exactly? Value. In variable reinitialization, old values will be replaced with what exactly? One more time. Old values will be replaced with new values. Very good. See, what is outputs are you are going to get here actually? 12,000. My salary is what exactly? Sal. The name of the variable you can print. My salary is what exactly? 12,000. Good. I would like to say This topic we done, and even class also we done almost. Frankly speaking, just a matter of 7 pages actually. I can close within 15 minutes. I'm capable, but almost I have taken 1 hour more than what exactly, just for your better understanding. Here the point will be, it's not like I'm a master, I can deliver within 10 minutes. No, no, no. If I'm a master, who want actually? Ultimately, your understanding really matters. Are you getting, sir? Can I ask you one question? Are you getting? Good. Let me tell you one important point. What is the point? Sir, in Python programming language, this syntax is not available. What syntax? A, print of A. Print of what exactly? Yeah, actually. In other programming language, this is demo 7, right? Let us just have to keep. I don't want to disturb this code actually. Salary equals to 10,000. Take the same thing. Programs also I'm updating. I'm sharing on daily, so that I don't want to touch this one. Print of what exactly, sir? Salary. All right. Yeah, good. A equals to print of A. Let me save this example. Will be demo something like a 8.py. What is example, sir? 8.py. Good. In other programming language, it is called as a declaration. In other programming language, it is called as what exactly? Declaration. In Python, if you create a variable, no matter what, immediately you have to assign the value. In a Python programming language, if you create a variable, ensure that provide the value, otherwise you will get an error. Otherwise, you will get an what exactly? Python interpreter won't accept. Hey man, where is the value? Something like that it will ask actually. If you want, you can run this example and you can get what exactly, sir? Error. Sorry, man. What is the example? Demo 8 actually. According to the, just have to say, what is error? Name error. Error name is a name error. Just I defined, but you didn't assign the value. So can somebody talk with me? Now, is it valid or invalid? Valid, sir. Valid. Now execute the example, you are going to get the output. Are you getting your one? Seriously, very good, sir. Now come here and you can just try to check it out this. Good. Now, team, you know what? Go to the last example. What is the example number here actually? Demo? Demo what exactly? Do you think under variable only 8 example I am covering? No. Go back. Today I will upload one nice document actually. There is a document name is a practice variable. In Google Classroom you will get it actually. These are all example. Now just try to see. Interestingly, let us continue. These are all discussion. Yeah, first one. Is Python case sensitive when dealing with the identifier actually? Is it case sensitive, sir? Yes, exactly. We already covered this point. Second one is, what is the maximum possible length of an identifier? There is no length limit, sir. Seems to be previously also. Someone asked the same question actually. Next example. Wow, interesting. Demo 1. Sir, how many variables? 3 variables. Tell me, sir. What are those variable names? Name, employee ID, employee salary. Very good. You know what? We followed the standards. This is called as a practice document. This is called as what exactly, sir? Practice document actually. In this document, you cannot find out the output intentionally. I'm skipping. Sir, these are all documents designed by me. We created actually. This is just these are all free, open source actually. You no need to request. We are sharing a free actually. Here, why I'm making output as empty? You have to type and you have to execute. Then you have to fill the output actually. You will get a clear picture. Whenever you are creating a variable, all are lowercase. If variable name having the 2 words actually, more than 1 word, variable name supposed to separate it with what exactly? Underscore symbol. What symbol, sir? Underscore symbol. That point we already covered actually. Now more to the next example. Interesting. Wow, seriously, super. Anything the same? Yeah, I hope here output directly you will get actually. But in the next example, along with that output, we are printing some information. We are printing what exactly? Some information. A kind of some basic example you will understand very clearly. I hope you know how to fill this output actually. Wow, sir. Interesting example. First one, no underscore symbol A equals to 1. Valid. Second one, underscore A. Valid, sir. Third one, 2 underscore symbols. Valid. Fourth one, first 2 underscores actually, next 2 underscores. Valid actually. These are all you should know what is a valid scenario, what is invalid scenario. It's a kind of practice actually. It will be really helpful for you. Move on to the next example. Yeah, only underscore. I'm not giving anything. Still valid actually. Still valid. Team, are you getting? Like this, you will get a plenty of examples, sir. Up to you. Once we done the topic actually, you have to jump into the practice. Then only you will become master actually. Team, are you getting what I'm saying? Good. Let me upload this document also. Let me upload, sir. Online team, we done for today's session, sir. Sheila, you're right actually, but you're talking in terms of the Java, .NET, these are all things. But in terms of the Python, I know Python is a pure object-oriented programming language, but default values it is not assigning. Default values it is not assigning. Okay. Syntactically, they have designed in such a way that, sir. Good point. Syntactically, they have designed in such a way that. All right. Let's move on. Sir, today, how many things I need to upload? Go to the running nodes. I have to upload these are all stuff actually. What is the first document? Do let me know. Material. Next one is a running nodes. Next one is a programs, and fourth one is a practice program document. Practice program. What exactly? Document actually. Sir, please. I'm still getting the mails from individual actually. Management stopped to sharing the material individually. It is too painful. Almost the people will be more than 100 actually. One-to-one sharing the material is too difficult for us actually. Right. And there is a one point actually, that point name is a Google Classroom. Just try to connect with admin. For offline Rajesh sir actually, online team, Rajesh sir ma'am, you can still connect with Rajesh sir ma'am. Ask them, can you please provide me the access actually? They will provide the access, sir. All right. Can you please guys help me while I'm uploading the material in front of you? Spare 2 minutes, sir. Every day end of this session, I will upload the material. Come on. Yeah, naming convention we done. And sir, tomorrow new topic. A small update, man. Hey man, people left, I guess. Oh, seriously. Tomorrow no session, sir. Generally every Saturday there is a session, but management they cancel tomorrow session. Again, the session will be on Monday. But generally and regularly for old batches there is a session on Saturday. But though the batch started newly actually, and there is no session for you. Okay. I'm sure many people left out in between. Go to the Python. The material name is a variable actually. Material name is a variable. And what is the pending, sir? Running nodes also, right? Running nodes also I need to upload. Now take the same. Let me upload practice document also. Let me upload practice document also for the relevant chapter. Go back. Python. Practice document. The practice document name is a variable actually. Hello world, did I upload it? I will upload actually. Otherwise, first let me upload this. Very good. Thank you for remaining. For all important chapters, we separately created a lot of examples, man. Sorry, man. In another 5 minutes, we are closing the session, sir. Only document uploading is pending. Yeah. 1 minute, ma'am. 1 minute, actually. So seems to be everything I uploaded. Anything is pending from my side, sir? No, right? Running notes, material, practice document. These are all things I upload actually. Good. For your batch. Yeah, good. Let me tell you. For your batch, whenever the management created actually, there is a Google Classroom class code it will generate actually. I'm sorry, only management will share. Only. I do have a restricted actually from my end. Sir, I'm just a trainer. I'm just what exactly? Trainer. I do have management having the terms and condition. The responsibility will be just to provide your mail ID to the admin. admin will add you in the Google Classroom. And if you need any kind of some other stuff also, admin will help you actually. Are you fine? Fine, right? Yep. We done for, 1 minute, sir. I have one question, Panda. So 1 minute. Let us just try to capture. These are all questions. Plus, please share the Google Classroom. Can you guide me how to join a Google Classroom? Admin team will help you, sir. I'm coming back after payment. I will add actually. Oh, sure. Let me just try to take few points actually from the management side. There are few questions actually. Let me answer these all. Harish, I have one question in Pandas. Interesting. Creating a function for a method just to take 1 minute actually. I'm your previous student only. I'm ready with the program actually. Harish, previous student. Sir, I hope if you are my previous student, we know plenty of Pandas examples actually. Here we can understand. I hope you are having my mobile number. Still, if you are having any doubt, actually, you can connect with me. Sir, if anyone joined today only, let me share my mobile number. Let me share my mobile number actually. My mobile number is it's not fancy number. Let me share. 970. Please make a note, sir. 97018. If you need any career guide, sir, it should be a technical discussion. It's not like a normal casual discussion whenever you are calling. You can connect with me. It is my WhatsApp number. It is my WhatsApp number too. Sheila ma'am. All right, if class int, then it's an object at runtime. Then why should the default values? Good question, boss. Let me answer your question. Let me tell you, Python is pure object-oriented programming. Object-oriented, what exactly? Programming. Your point is absolutely valid. Your point is what exactly? Absolutely valid. Absolutely valid. According to the Java. According to what exactly? Java. I mean, let me tell you, Daniel, my name actually, I am very good in 3 programming languages. The first one is the Java, next one is the Scala, next one is the Python. I do have a sound experience in these 3 programming languages. The point what our teammate is telling, it is absolutely valid in a Java programming language according to that syntax. In a Python, according to the syntax, default values are not allowed actually. Good discussion. In Python, default values are, they stopped actually. The one who created a Python, he stopped actually. Sheila ma'am, I hope you understand, boss. Can I get a response from you? I need response from you. All right. There is no more Saturday practice. No, sir. It was not like that. Wrong assumption. Sir, admin team can add you once you have to register actually. I hope you know how to register, what to register actually. You have to get registered. There is a point, Tarini ma'am, I guess. Here, there is no more Saturday practice session. Sir, extremely sorry. It was wrong assumption. Every Saturday, every Saturday there is a practice session. Every Saturday, what exactly? There is a practice session. But tomorrow there is no session. Just tomorrow there is no session. Same thing you also told in what exactly? Last week, something like that, right? Please. Upcoming we have a session. Can we close the session actually? Are you ready? Yes, sir. Small suggestion. Before you are coming to the session, kindly please walk through what we covered today, sir. Then the better understanding actually. Don't miss tomorrow. Not tomorrow. Don't miss Monday. What is the Monday topic? The Monday topic is a data type. What is the Monday topic actually? Data type. It takes minimum 2 days session, sir. It takes what exactly? 2 days session actually. Monday, Tuesday. And move on to the operator, input, output, flow control. These are all things actually. Team, thank you for joining. We done for today's session. Good night, everyone. Yes, sir. Please take care. Yep, please.